In this session, we will basically learn how SAP AI Business Services empowers the SAP Shared Service Center framework in order to reduce cost and headcount, basically by increasing the automation level. And we will take the example of vendor invoice inquiries, which will enter the Shared Service Center. So now let's directly switch to the demo, and I will switch into the persona of John. And John is basically asking now our company about the payment status with regards to this invoice here. So the invoice which ends with the number 892. And there's also a PDF attachment, and you can see here the invoice number is also part of the invoice PDF. Now the expectation is, of course, when I now send this invoice status request to our shared service center, that we can actually see the automation I was talking about. So let's send this one, and we can see the magic has already happened. So we can see the first level category has been set to accounts payable, and the second level category has been set to accounts payable invoice status. So now the next step is that we want to further automate the invoice status processing. So instead of manually going into the backend, we can see here that our two services have extracted the invoice number from the PDF and extracted the invoice number from the free text. So what does that mean? The invoice is in reconciliation, and the supplier will receive the payment soon. So again, I can switch back to the checklist, and I just have to click on send email notification, and then you will see, okay, the status has switched to answer provided, and I can save this service request, and I'm done here. So now we can go back into our inbox and open the reply from our system. Yes, we can see, okay, we get this information back that our invoice number is actually in status posted, which is exactly what we were asking for. This really shows the business value by heavily decreasing the time required for processing the tickets. And this, by the way, also positively impacts the service level improvement.